Busia ha the Fabulous Zone. Midi Eddie King Kobe, and they are star fan of the month. Guess what I see? Now, Barbie Church and Neoma Elko, how or J, the award, no, so we made in edition cry up or Modiaba. And the Assasura, a kind of I see, and I in a draw also a kind of home ever. Yema measure Ghana Premier League in summer HMU and a Champions League also. Yeah, the Koya FC on the moment to me and fire in Siakana. Yes, Assasura, Aquaba.
We know that's in Joseph.
Adra, Aquaba. Yen Shasi or Ghana Premier answer about award no sooner. Yen Ghana Premier League, Nancy, say Kotokoyani Legon Cities, Casco Stadium, winning their Koye, courtesy Ibrahim Moore. Ibrahim Osman go out share the man. Yes, a question give them who saying Asasura.
Well, I gave me the yeah. Now you win the first of the season near Chase Yache. And you know we have no excuse on Friday no say we win. Say we need I think about this and management team no na am management team no kabani. We sure about this supporters no. Come Matthew my part. You know Friday day na any excuse.
That's by force. Say
by hook or crook. No say win. Sa game no.
I just game no so who saying.
As he said no, it was whether we like it or it was a win and we won it because only protocol 2 games without a win there. It's very stressful.
This year 3 matches a possible 9 points in the 5. That things are bad.
Yeah, be a gate today. Open gate for win there.
And I want to know about a team about injuries. I don't know what's going on. The players no. Yeah, na omupra, yeah, no omupra. Maybe muka yeah put to blame no training and so way no so. I don't know. So when you quite sure more training me and I didn't cause injuries no.
Well, injuries part of the game, you know.
Yeah, part of the game.
Sometimes no.
Too new, so you
I won't blame anybody. We only say part of the game. We shouldn't cast our mind to any superstitious. Maybe I say any how to say. Abrochire, duration within games even higher than Africa. Because Monday, no about Wednesday, no about in a week, not about 4 matches. But in a week, I was saying we are 2 matches. Abroad, so 3 matches. In Africa, but Abrochire won't about 4 matches. We could about 5 matches in a week. But I'm about a bit proud, even so at also. You know. So injuries as a part of the game. We shouldn't cast our mind in anything. Young focus. We have other players.
But me to me, see a ban in time. How many games do we have to play? Almost 20 something, Anna.
30 games.
It's better. Say restart so that when we get to the highway, people will be recovering. It's plan. Perform with you, plan. Time I so you very recover. Now almost so I think it's better.
But the good news is Felix Sana I recover.
Yeah.
Ababeka team no Accra. And me had much now. And also I started training. And then there. Once the team no Accra after say ball Legon Cities no. I'm Accra because Thursday the ball Olympics. Not Sunday. As I go medium out
Great Olympics.
Don't forget your. They keke. But when you do why are you consider to show me about that top who did? Oh, you ever face your
normally going to some saying, I'm sure 3 show one at least on my bibia.
Oh, you ever share Olympics. Omudi o ma ho de nyina. Also, obi abebo kotokwa. Aso mo ni to kotokwa ntokwa. Omudi o all they are we don't dey abebo we. But who score them? Olympics is no match for us.
But normal, on say so because we be kotokwa na ho de nyina normal. Abrochire bibia sa big teams no. The smaller teams maybe they put up about 500% of our money. No, only never go so. But I'm going to share that teams are now more minimized. Most can tell normal. Now they blows into no. Overall a big team no. Also, but so showcase your class or you be a big team. Now so overcome smaller teams no. Tell normal.
But one good thing is say upon all the ups and downs, and for Philly say if Philly say your film can still be unshame.
I don't know the amount for here no. Only say amount for Philly say be on a day maybe on the performance on the field of play no. I said I'm going to say I was a corner. But I think say players no individual no be good but teamwork ni ni ho ene na ade amanfo nhwe
and no confirm say team no e dey so be shen you
sure
e dey so be shen kotoko
e dey so be shen but don't say na make na amanfo so e hwe say nka say nka individually ya top brilliant players no obi say kayeke ene Anabila so Emmanuel Sakode Kwame Poku Osman we say players in individual be good tina amanfo hwe say nka ya to individual players no be good no ka on the field of play no meet na ball to a certain part in the even our first game against 11 Wonders when I'm for first game match 11 Wonders be 3-4 on the day no e quite 1-1 the for so many people got disappointed in the team say with all the players I turn no in 11 Wonders but the one for so we say 11 Wonders so youthful exuberant players be almost no on the day no must meet match was say with all experience I won no almost so we do meet na here
coach now good pa
Ignatius good but we say otina ma wa fans ko share one e what teach man another man for nka because omo say omo smaller club and you know any na part of the game nti am here say omo so start to do baby no omo start here no baby ma go do
ajo end game no ye Lagos City's game no ye be end na wo yam hyehyɛ wana because how come ye share one we won say one gina ho saa na be ba ta say hyehyɛ.
Well, but there were so many chances on Messi mom, and one, I just hope that as time goes on, they'll improve upon their one, because 1-1, you hear 2-3 or more. Yeah, mom, but say, one, you're not as secured. So what you say, but as Asisira said. To me, saying, we try. Still, want to me saying.
My performance, no sure, is it improving? And I jam it, once a game, well, the next game, no more improve. The next game, the economy.
Well, I would say, 3 matches now, Bono. Our game against Bekum Chelsea, Bekum, any best performance so far.
It was classic.
Just that game against Bekum Chelsea because you control game from start to end. Only say the chance being an anteki. And ma last minute equalizer and buy. So yes, I dey anka. Bekum Chelsea was a competition be 3 or Bekum. Because first half no chance be nyaya. Even my Lagos City's game, say a game we na say goalkeeper of your opponent, you are judging the man of the match. It shows say on a day no pressure at the corner so no. Yes, but a man for so we. A man for say be maybe just say Baba Mama a control midfield now the second half now. And no chance say Nintoma boy throughout, but we have first half now we control the game. Second half now I say a prender buy no the must no dey force change and someone from here once the game is all here so no on a technical point of view on here is say fangeke do be onye obi na say
technical in man can consider
but at the end of the day no so say esua de supporter say esua na many odo can be say supporter say you educate your home game na ebo no your bibia it me see at any time BBC or say be nso see what I say the amount for zone here I'm for say once I kotoko dey also show bia anya sir it's not right. Brazil against Germany World Cup competition nkata Germany show Brazil 7-0 as say oh Brazil what I say Ghana na see is the management team any technical win nya say e twa munyati but they see it happened and ananya the story real thing happen here you know supporters you educate your home new game no say the game no etie results be ba yen hwe ene mesisi ene ban consider say na criticize we don't just criticize say we kotokonti we ko show bia other teams no bia so press Virgin League no nya nko ana league no ye de captain as kofa and then the supporters see hu na maybe so be so ekoso before and after the match amamfo nim only say on the answer bia ya bobo na bi score the same kotoko draw krama na emojasem because supporters let's educate ourselves
adwa yembra Champions League no so our first game na di before no there em say I will say you omudi nkra football books
o be say me dey
man but for play say about the match man ba be do ko ka check
o be say me afternoon NFC say me catch us sana me from
Jombe no even our kafam Jombe as Ghana.
I'll say it's in discipline. Seriously. Even as Africans. But they are it's Africa until ever call worldwide.
Well, true. I got a point.
I got
a point.
That's the main
valid point,
you can't do this. As a serious to us.
As I say, the American very clear. Obia on attention ba you give this Obia no South Africa in class for said. Sir, a team to coin because of COVID in the CAF Christ and the Obia players on 30 players. So the COVID no attack any of a player. At least Obi submit me an opportunity.
Now the 15.
16 players about. They move to COVID. Use the remaining 14. Is the problem. We see key players. First day, I became second into 2 days now. DSTV for OB Vans, any other cameras about media houses. Opinion for buy to the extent say, Saturday no, Dr. Kwame Che got locked at the back of the gate. It took the intervention of Yeni, some other military men to fight with the security agencies. Normal lock gate. Obi lock gate the kitchen bottom. Now, your board chairman or gate because of, sir, excuse me to say, useless thing we are, and we still at time. It wasn't easy, Saturday, no. It wasn't easy. How we struggled to get some of our big men inside. Elijah Lamini, even coach Sika Kono, he was also locked at the back, including Ket. What does it? Ket Namu was locked at the back.
Just no.
I need to be catching you. What I witnessed and how we manage our way, and I said how we manage to get them in. It wasn't easy. What does it? You can't say that's program manager. I was there enter. Bianene snacks ni ma hodo bia o se omode refresh your mono. Ni nyana akapu n'echi. DSP ba ko a ntem bi ono organize dispatch. Emma a dear car in him no. Kotokobas in him no. He was also locked at the back. It wasn't easy.
It was an Wadibu day.
Just say that then there no serious. But thank God say you know at work. I don't know the
see I mention next match I will Champions League now. I will like of we omo bayira because you share omo okrum ha my omebo 1-1. Ha you call omo share 1-0. Omebo omo kan share first goal. Na Brian break as you say aka no.
Mama nka samba control. Football Football doesn't follow logic. Me say them can no. We born dey chira che. Aside say kotoko no, your other team be me follow but I don't reveal it. Okay. Because you don't come out and then say you only do your thing, give out whatever they also give out, then you go your way. Football doesn't follow logic. On the day, no, if you are able to get your things right, you win the day.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean say was it Zamalek? Chelsea and Zamalek 5 and now Chelsea bought Champions League. Top team back Ghana, Chelsea become Chelsea 5-0. Even when we played in Ghana, we share in Ghana. Yes, Zesco United. Zesco United. But I'm over Kasai and Zesco. At the end of the day, Zesco Abaji. And you know, on a day, no, if you're able to get your things right, you win the day, then you go away. It's a strategy. You have to strategize. Say, this is what you want. This is what we want to do. You're planning for this particular game. You're planning for all the games. On a particular game, you plan for it, you get the needed resource. Then you go your way, because when you knock out, home and away, you can't resource the moment. Wow, we go square anymore. And I said, wow, head to where do you go anymore? Then you know, moment portrays he like super me say normal game.
Because team will have question a big game.
But me you can say 8 players about Sudan national team. Yeah, your national team players in our team. What does it? And you know, see, you have 2 skills. Then you be our stars. Let's get our things right, work for the day, and then we win the day. We go away. It shouldn't be said, and Hilal, Sudan national team players, and whatever. Masa Umba. We work our things well. We give it to them. No more come ukrum. You go and strategize it. You know about swap. It has a pre draw, and I say you minimize it, go margin. Then you use to have a resource. No, you qualify. That's all. The moment prima man va come say and I one go project illegal. Even also last in FA Cup, also as what Deportivo as what Deportivo we've been playing them on so many occasions. You show them 4, 5, 6, but they could do FA Cup no. Now you need different competition. What I say, and you know on a day no then they go the design results on pay. And the only idea I say The oh you born now when you say oh you say okay. Technically no. Check number 1 or 2 be then okay count number boom. You know how to watch the game.
Okay.
To support us and educate you. I'll keep on saying this.
I just give you say a very easy sound. Because I learned for an idea, make a kind of minimum idea. Said the way you can, you share your money between your marble. But a baby
is a history or home about that.
Agents of our family.
I was here try your best now.
You go Sudan no. Seek a no time. You go Sudan no. One go no share no. They didn't work for it. We gifted them. I still have the clip. Though I say careful, you have to be careful. But look at say portray say team you make fire so be. We all we have 11 players.
Yeah.
What does it? Ghana never born. And you know, say any year. Say anyone there, say you put your two some of them or throw and they can beat us that did. And find a better no, yeah, but if we encourage ourselves, now you must say, born a bono, so you're not with me. We can win and win handsomely. What does it? Sanity.
Yo, Ebusia, Asasira, and I'm in Canone, and Joakotoko. Aha, the Fabulous Zone. Yambo Felson's Health College, Abaso, Felson's Health College, or we a nursing school. So we feel we need nursing home, open so called nursing school, go see nursing. Now our friend number way 0244 724 716. This will be 0244 724 716. So to Lom Lava, Oba, no our friend number, no.